Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Chevy Cruze, and I'm going to show you where you find your paint code identification on this vehicle. So this vehicle, the paint code identifier is located inside the glove box, and so all you got to do is open up the glove box, and then you're going to see this information placard here. It has your VIN number on it. Will match the same VIN number of your vehicle unless somebody had replaced this. And then right there, we're at the very bottom of this where it has the BCC/CC, and then you have the U8624. The U8624 is your paint code for this vehicle. So that if you need to get paint matched to be able to paint a component on it, that is where you find it. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.